Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne, and if your rear right window, guys, let me show you, rear right window doesn't work. Okay, this window right here doesn't go up or down. We will explain guys how to fix that. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel guys. Quite a few videos will be made. All the parts and tools that we use in our videos are listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Now, what you guys need to do, if your rear left window doesn't work guys, okay, you need to go ahead, open right here now. Rear right, excuse me, rear right window. Doesn't go up or down. Open that door. Now, right here you have one cover. That cover you have fuses under the cover. Plastic panel removal tool is really convenient and you can pop that thing open. It has 5 clips. Let me show you now where the clips are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we need to find fuse number 15 guys. Fuse number 15, it's a 25 amp fuse and it's the second fuse on the second row. This one here. So we'll pull it out. Okay, and this is the fuse. Okay, so ours is good. So if your fuse is good guys, okay, if your fuse is good, what else could be? It could be a bad window motor, it could be a bad computer, it could be a bad window regulator. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to help you diagnose your system. More mechanical videos on this Porsche Cayenne will be on our main channel, Auto Repair guys, so please check it out. Thank you.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.